Introducing the SITRAK heavy-duty truck, brought to you by Galadari. Engineered with low fuel consumption, SITRAK ensures that every mile you drive saves you more, cutting down on operational costs without compromising on power. Built on advanced European technology, SITRAK combines innovation with performance, delivering reliability you can count on in every situation. Crafted with high durable components, this truck is designed to endure the toughest conditions, ensuring longevity and minimal downtime. Experience the perfect blend of efficiency, innovation, and durability with the SITRAK heavy-duty truck. Only from Galadari, your trusted partner in the UAE.
Galadari, inspiring pioneers.